los terroristas.
They do the Harlem Shake.
Isaac Newton created a set of 3 laws. The first law was also known as the law of inertia. This law means that an object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest unless an unbalanced force acts upon it. Now what you've seen there was a perfect example of Newton's first law. Now you see the book was sitting on the table without nothing interacting with it, so it stayed there. And if something came and pushed it, then the book would move. But since nothing did, it didn't.
Newton's second law of motion states, the amount of force an object exerts is related to its mass and acceleration, which derives from the equation force equals mass times acceleration.
So now what I'm going to do for you guys is draw the diagram of what you just seen in the video. I'm going to start by drawing the ramp. This is the ramp, accompanied with the skateboard. When the skateboard is going down the ramp, it has forces, all 4 forces acting upon it. And these forces could be shown in the free body diagram. So our first force that I'm going to draw for you is the normal force. This is always going to be acting on it if an object is on a flat surface, or any surface in general. With this force, there's also going to be the force of gravity. It's going to be at an angle because the ramp is at an angle. Another force that's acted upon the skateboard is the force of friction. And the stronger force out of the 2 would be the force applied. Because as you've seen in the video, I push the skateboard and it starts to slow down because of the force of friction.
Newton's third law states that the amount of force you exert on an object, the object exerts back an equal but opposite force. This last video represents Newton's third law because, as you can see, me and Luis both run into each other. So when we run into each other, we both bounce back because we exert an equal but opposite force towards each other.